Alright, so here's my build of the MPC 1973 Mercury Cougar. This one's entitled The Cat, because, you know, cougars. So here's the parts. It's an old MPC kit, so not a lot of parts, but very basic to go. It does have two engines in it here. Tub interior, body that looks really, really good. Yeah, everything here in this kit is real basic, real simple, real nice to work with. Here's a bunch of parts painted. The exhaust I ended up not using because I went with open headers on the engine. But here's a bunch of the other parts here. Suspension, radiator, battery, the engine. That'll get thrown together here in a second. The front grille, I did a black wash on the grille there to make it look nice. Pretty cool. So let's start putting some stuff together. Here's the chassis of the car put together. Here's a weird engine bay thing that goes underneath the body and then the engine itself. Looking really good here. Looking really good. So it's all coming together here. Here's the interior. Just did it red because I wanted to match the red pinstriping decal that comes with it. Just did it red with the black. Here's the engine completed. The headers I had to take off because if you wanted to use those headers, you had to put the headers on after the engine's in the car. So no big deal, we get it done. So here's a bunch of parts. Rust-Oleum 2X Golden Sunset is what I used for the body. Unfortunately, the hood had a little peeling. Not a big deal, we'll just sand it down and restart again. So I wet sanded it down and then repainted it primer and did the gold again on it. I ended up redoing the front grille because I did not like the black wash. I kind of like the blacked out look better. So I blacked out the grills, put white paint on the headlights and the side lights, and then the turn signals. I wanted to raise the rear suspension, so I took some parts from the tree itself to try to raise it. Here it is all painted up. Did not do the effect that I was looking for. Something I have to play with to figure out. So here's the body. What a beautiful yellow. That is over the 2X Rust-Oleum gray. That is great looking. Painted the black vinyl top on it. Did the chrome work around the trim and the door handles. Also did the rocker panels and around the wheel wells. There's that red decal stripe that I was telling you about. I wanted to match the interior with it. Quick shine floor polish. This is what I use on all my cars. So let's shine her up a little bit. I think I put about 10 coats of quick shine on it. Came out real nice. The rear bumper went in perfect. Had to paint the white reverse lights on the red plastic there. That weird engine bay thing there didn't want to fit in right, so I glued it in from underneath the car, but I had to weigh it down so the car wasn't sitting too high up front. Get crafty there. There's what it looks like afterwards. Not bad at all. I'm really liking this kit. And here it is with a couple more coats of wax on it. And I think this bad boy looks really, really cool. I wish I had different wheels to put on it. I could not find a set of wheels that fit in my stash. But I gotta tell you, this model came out awesome. Sometimes you just gotta love the old MPC simplicity. You know, because it's fun to play with, fun to work with. And I had a lot of fun with this kit, let me tell you. You know, this was a quick build. It took me about a week to do. Really, really enjoyed it. You know, the front and rear bumpers went on perfectly. Usually you gotta play with those, mess with them to try to get them in. They went in perfect. The interior popped right in. The engine fit right in. Underneath, you can see those open headers on the engine there. Real nice. And then let's take the hood off here to show you what the engine looks like here all together. As you can see, I painted the soundproofers under the hood there. So the engine, like I said, MPC, not a lot, but you know what? I like to use a lot of different colors. Draw your eye to different places. And I think I succeeded on this one. I think that looks really, really good. I gotta tell you, this was a really, really good kit. I highly recommend it. You know, put a little time into it, and boom, bada ding. That front bumper looks great, don't it? I highly recommend kit for an old MPC re-release. It's great. Alright everybody, well, I thank you for watching the video of me building this car. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. I'll see you guys later.